Lucas's first day at school. Lucas is a little boy who is excited and a little bit nervous because today is his first day at school. He wakes up early in the morning while the sun shines through his window and the birds sing happy songs outside. He stretches his arms and smiles, thinking about the fun and learning that await him. When Lucas gets out of bed, he sees his favorite blue shirt lying on a chair. He puts on the blue shirt and a pair of comfortable jeans. He then chooses his new shoes that sparkle when the light hits them. Looking in the mirror, Lucas feels proud and ready for his special day. At breakfast, Lucas sits with his mother at a small table. He enjoys a bowl of cereal with milk and eats a juicy apple slice. His mother tells him, "Today is a very special day, Lucas. You will make new friends and learn many things." Lucas listens carefully to his mother's kind words, and his heart feels warm and brave. After breakfast, Lucas packs his small red backpack. Inside, he carefully places his pencil case, a notebook, and a water bottle. His backpack has a picture of a happy sun, and he feels excited to carry it with him. With one last hug from his mother and a cheerful, "Have a good day, my little star," Lucas leaves the house and waves goodbye. When Lucas arrives at school, he sees many children playing happily in the playground. The school is a big building with bright red, blue, and yellow walls. Some children run on the green grass, and others laugh as they play games. Lucas feels curious as he walks toward the entrance, and he wonders what his classroom will look like. Inside the classroom, a kind teacher named Miss Emma welcomes every child with a big smile. Miss Emma wears a green dress and a small necklace that shines softly. She says, "Hello, children. Welcome to our classroom. Today is the start of a wonderful school year." Lucas listens to her gentle voice and feels a little more calm as he sits on a small chair that fits him perfectly. Miss Emma asks each child to introduce themselves one by one. When it is Lucas's turn, he stands up and says slowly, "My name is Lucas. I am 7 years old." His clear and calm voice makes his new friends smile and clap for him. Lucas feels happy that everyone is kind and welcoming. During the morning, Miss Emma shows the children around the classroom. She points to the reading corner, where many colorful books rest on low shelves. She shows them a table with art supplies like crayons and paper. Then she walks over to a big board filled with letters and numbers. Lucas looks at the board with wide eyes and feels excited to learn new words and count numbers. After the tour, it is time for a fun activity. All the children sit in a circle on a soft, bright carpet. Miss Emma gives each child a small toy to share. Lucas receives a little wooden car, and he holds it tightly while listening to his classmates talk about their favorite toys. The children laugh, share stories about their families, and talk about their pets. Lucas listens carefully, and he feels that every friend is special in his own way. When the morning playtime comes, Lucas goes outside to the schoolyard. The playground is full of fun things like swings, a slide, and a sandbox with soft sand. Lucas runs quickly to the swings and sits down. As he moves back and forth, he feels the wind in his hair and hears the joyful laughter of his new friends. He soon meets a friendly boy named Tom who wears a red cap and smiles brightly. Tom tells Lucas about his favorite cartoon, and soon they are talking about many fun games. After a while, it is time for lunch. In the bright cafeteria, Lucas sits at a long table with his new friends. They share their food and chat about the morning. Lucas eats his sandwich and drinks a glass of fresh juice. He enjoys the soft bread, the crunchy apple slices, and the taste of the juice. As he listens to his friends, he learns about different families, pets, and fun hobbies. One friend talks about a playful dog, while another speaks about a sleepy cat. Lucas feels happy that everyone has a unique story to tell. After lunch, Miss Emma gathers the children for a quiet story time. She opens a large book with many beautiful pictures and reads about a brave knight and a kind princess. Lucas listens very carefully and enjoys every word. The pictures are bright and full of color, and the story makes him feel calm and inspired. He learns that being brave and kind is very important in life. In the afternoon, the class has art time. Lucas loves art class because he can draw and paint freely. Miss Emma gives each child a piece of paper and many crayons in different colors. Lucas chooses his favorite colors and begins to draw. He draws a sunny day with a big yellow sun, green trees, and a small house. He also draws a picture of himself with his family and friends. When he shows his drawing to Miss Emma, she smiles and says, "Very good, Lucas. Your picture is very beautiful." Lucas feels proud and happy. Later, the children go to the library. The library is a quiet room with many books on the shelves. Lucas finds a book with large pictures of animals. He sees pictures of a dog, a cat, and a bird. Miss Emma sits with him and points to the words under each picture. Lucas repeats the names slowly, learning how to say dog, cat, and bird correctly. The calm voice of his teacher and the bright images in the book make the time in the library peaceful and fun. Before the school day ends, Miss Emma asks the children to do one more activity. She tells them, "Draw a picture of your favorite part of today." Lucas thinks about all the fun moments he had. He picks up his pencil and draws the playground with the swings, the sandbox, and the smiling faces of his friends. When everyone shows their pictures, the class claps and smiles at each other. Lucas feels that his drawing is very special because it shows a happy memory. When the school bell rings, it is time to go home. Lucas packs his things carefully, waves goodbye to his teacher and friends, and steps out of the classroom with a bright smile. Miss Emma tells him, "I am very proud of you, Lucas. I hope you had a wonderful day at school." Lucas nods happily and walks out of the classroom, feeling confident and excited for tomorrow. On the walk home, Lucas thinks about his first day at school. He remembers the kind teacher, the friendly children, and the many fun activities he did. He recalls the colorful classroom, the cozy reading corner, and the exciting art time. Lucas feels happy because he has learned so many new words, met many kind friends, and seen many bright colors. He feels that school is a place of discovery, where every moment is a chance to learn something new. Later that evening, Lucas sits with his mother and tells her many details about his day. He says, "I saw a big slide, a quiet reading room, and a board with letters and numbers. I drew a picture of the playground and made a new friend named Tom." His mother listens with a warm smile and asks, "What was your favorite part of today, Lucas?" After thinking for a moment, Lucas answers, "I liked art class and story time because I feel happy when I draw and listen to stories." His mother hugs him and says, "I am very proud of you. You are brave and you try new things with a happy heart." Lucas's first day at school teaches us many lessons. He learns that trying new things can be fun and that even when we feel a little scared, we can be brave and enjoy the adventure. He learns that every teacher is kind and every friend is ready to share a smile or a game. The bright colors in the classroom, the friendly voices of his classmates, and the warm smile of Miss Emma make his day very special. Lucas is excited to go back to school tomorrow, knowing that every day will bring a new adventure. When Lucas goes to bed that night, he feels tired, but very happy. He lies in his bed and thinks about all the things he learned and the new friends he made. He dreams about playing in the playground under a big tree and laughing with his friends. In his dreams, he sees Miss Emma reading a funny story that makes all the children giggle. Lucas dreams of many more days filled with learning, play, and fun. The next morning, Lucas wakes up with a smile on his face. He remembers his first day and feels excited to return to his school. After a quick breakfast, he helps his mother pack his new lunchbox with his favorite sandwich and apple slices. Lucas feels that every new day is a wonderful chance to learn and to have fun. He steps outside with a brave heart and looks forward to the next adventure at school. In the days that follow, Lucas learns new words in his reading class, counts numbers in math, and paints beautiful pictures in art. He also makes more friends and plays new games on the playground. Every lesson, every smile, and every new word helps Lucas grow a little more each day. His first day was only the beginning of many happy and interesting days at school. Lucas's first day at school is a day full of small and big moments. Every smile, every word, and every new friend adds a special memory to his heart. He learns that it is okay to feel a little nervous and that every new experience helps him become braver. Lucas looks forward to tomorrow with excitement, knowing that each day at school is a chance to learn, play, and grow. This story of Lucas reminds us that school is a place of discovery, learning, and friendship. It teaches us that every small step is important and that every new beginning is a wonderful chance to learn and to grow. Lucas's adventure shows us that being brave and kind makes every day special, and that a happy heart can make any day bright.